Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pair your GoPro Lit Hero with the app. Before you begin, your camera must be reset and you need to have your language selected. So the camera must be turned on by pressing and holding on the side button. If you're turning the camera on for the first time, it must be plugged into power, otherwise it won't turn on. Select the language, then click on approve, click on agree here. You can enable or disable voice control, and now connect to the GoPro Quik app that you can download off App Store on your iPhone or off Google Play Store on your Android phone. In the Quik app, you can click on continue as guest, then or sign up if you'd like, then go to GoPro. I will remove my camera because it's already added. I'll just remove it, and now select connect to GoPro. Now, if it's found, it will not be found if you don't have permissions enabled for the location and Bluetooth devices. So if you get asked for those permissions, you need to allow them. Then click on connect here, and it'll start pairing with your camera. You need to click on pair to approve the request, and now, as you can see, the camera is being turned on. Also, you will need to put the SD card into your camera. I'll do that in just a little moment. I'll leave it as GoPro, as the name. I'll do this later here. And now let's go, and it's done. So that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.